Noom Weight Loss Program app. The pros, the cons. Most people think losing weight is just about diet and exercise, but the Noom Weight Loss Program app reveals a deeper truth. It's really about psychology. Noom uses cognitive behavioral techniques to change the way you think about food, habits, and health. But is it really worth the hype? Let's go over the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Noom's biggest strength is its focus on behavior change. The app helps you identify emotional triggers that lead to overeating and teaches strategies to build sustainable habits. Through bite-sized daily lessons, quizzes, and motivation prompts, users learn to make smarter choices without feeling deprived. The app's food logging system is another standout feature. Instead of labeling foods as good or bad, Noom uses a color system: green, yellow, and red to encourage moderation. You can still enjoy your favorite foods as long as you balance them wisely. Another pro is support. Noom provides access to virtual coaches and peer groups for accountability. You can track weight, activity, and calories, all while getting data-backed insights into your progress. Now, the cons. Noom requires consistent engagement. Daily check-ins and food logging are key to success. For some users, that can feel like too much effort. The subscription costs may also be high compared to free apps, and results vary depending on individual commitment. In conclusion, the Noom Weight Loss Program app isn't a quick fix, it's a mindset shift. If you're ready to dig into the psychology behind your eating habits and make lasting change, Noom delivers powerful tools to help you get there. It's more than a diet, it's a ray education in healthy living that can transform how you see food forever.